Hi everyone, welcome to me and my world YouTube channel. If you like this video, please share to others. If you are the new viewer, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for getting all updates. And in this channel, we are trying to explain lot of topics like MS Excel and MS Word, basics of MEP and kids activities, and software courses like Tableau and general topics. So for easy access of all courses, we organized the playlist in systematic manner. Hi friends, today we are going to learn tab settings in the Word document. So this is the empty template for the Word document. So in the Word document, if you want to set up the rules, here in the above ribbon we have to see that home page in inside draw. Here we have to go view and make it select the rules. See, if you select the rules, see the vertical lines and horizontal there is the scaling is happens. So here we can able to this is in the centimeters. If you want to change the inches or centimeters or millimeters like that, you can able to go to the file and select the more options and go to the options. Here in you have to select the advanced options, then you have to go for the display options. In the display options you can see the so measurements in units of centimeters. If you want to say inches, if you want to millimeter, points, because you can able to select. So generally it should be Word document should be in inches, so I'm selecting the inches and making okay. So see, now the all the measurements are in inches. So next is there is in the working on the Word document, if you enter the data, there is a left alignment and right alignment and center alignment and bar space, everything is possible. So we will explain step by step in this course. So for selecting the setting the bar settings, see here the tab page is open. See the default tab stops. So generally I am selecting the 0.5 and making set okay. So if you see my when I see here the left tab is selected. So if you see by pressing the tab, see it is moving to 0.5 inches, again 1, again if you see it goes to 1.5 and it's a 2 like this. So if I'm see in the tabs settings only, I'm making here, see tab stop position. So here see alignment, left alignment, center alignment, right alignment and decimals and bars. So for this we have to first we can select first alignment is 1.00 in the left set, make select set, and I want select in the second one. Second one I'm selecting the center. Okay, if you delete this, select that and drag the down, it will goes. So third one I'm selecting right arrow, I'm making set okay. So third one is selected, left right arrow, and first is left selection, and second one is center, and third one is right arrow, and on fourth one I'm selecting the decimals. Okay, so by selecting, if you see for the left I am entering the data. So if you see the data is entering on left side Okay, we go to center. If you see, I'm entering the data. So if you see, the data is displayed center of this column. And again, next tab, see the data how will enter. And if you see here in the fourth, if you enter the data, it goes in right tab. So if you want to see if you want to select this tab settings directly without going to the tab page, if you see in the left side corner, if you have the selection, this is the left tab. If I change center, is the right tab, and is the decimal tab, and this is the bar tab. So if you want, I want to select in the 6 bar tab. If you want to, so you can see in the bar tab is nothing but it is British. And next one is, again, if I want to select decimal tab, so here I want to select the decimal tab, it will select, see, center tab. So like this we can able to use the tab settings. And one more, if you want to require this settings directly, if you go to this home page and select the paragraph, if you select this, in that if you select the tabs, so here you can able to select. You see all these settings are selected here. So if you want to clear all this, select clear all and make it okay. So all the settings are ruled off. So like this we can able to use this. For example, I will explain you in the one example. So see, I'm selecting the left tab in the one and making center, and third one I'm selecting the bar, in 3.5, and in 5 I will select right tab. So if you see, I am entering the student names, right side, left side boys and right side girls. So if I press the tab, see, when it comes again, it goes to the fifth one. And next one is, if you see, Bolu, and if I select, see, wherever we make the tab space, there only it will goes, and we can able to make the data clearly. So like this we can able to use the tab settings in the Word document. So there is lot of other settings also in there. So for the next class we will explain those settings.